Hello friends, welcome to Chemistry Nuggets where you can polish your knowledge and clear doubts. Friends, today's video is question number 2.37 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's check the question. The diameter of a zinc atom is 2.6 angstrom. Now calculate A, radius of zinc atom in pm, it means picometer, and B, number of atoms present in the length of 1.6 centimeter if the zinc atoms are arranged side by side lengthwise. Now we'll start with the A part. Now here it is given the diameter D is equal to 2.6 angstrom. We'll convert this into meter. So as we know, 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. So we can write it here 2.6 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Now they are asking the radius of the atom. So as we know, radius is equal to d by 2. Values we can put 2.6 into 10 to the power minus 10 divided by 2. We'll get 1.3. So the answer here will be the radius is 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. But they are asking the answer in picometer. So again we need to convert the meter into picometer. So we know that 1 meter is equal to 10 to the power 12 picometer. So in place of meter we will write 10 to the power 12. So it is 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 10 into 10 to the power 12. Now it is picometer. Now 12 minus 10, it become 2. So the answer will be 1.3 into 10 to the power 2 picometer. This is the answer of the part 1 of the question. Radius is 1.3 into 10 to the power 2 picometer. Now come up to the part B where they are asking for the number of atoms. So think like that, if atoms are arranged side by side like this up to the distance of the arrangement is of 1.6 centimeter. The distance is like this. So they are asking how many atoms are needed to cover this distance. So we should know that the distance covered by one atom is the diameter, and its value is given. The diameter is 2.6 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter as we calculated earlier. So now they are asking number of atoms. So we can write like that. The length of the arrangement is equal to 1.6 centimeter. Then the length covered by one atom, that will be its diameter which one atom is covering. The value is 2.6 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. So that number of atoms required, it should be, simply we will divide the total length by the length covered by one atom. So it will be 1.6 centimeter divided by 2.6 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Now we will divide, but before that we need to convert the centimeter into meter, because before calculation all the units will be in the same. So centimeter, we knew that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So in place of centimeter, we will write this. So let's start a calculation. 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter divided by 2.6 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Now meter and meter will be cancelled. Decimals will be away. Now divide. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2, 2 3 is 13. Now 10 to the power minus 10 will go up and become 10 to the power plus 10. See how we'll write it? Now 8 upon 13 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 10 to the power 10. What it become? So when we divide, first we'll do the powers. 8 upon 13 multiplied by, now power 10 minus 2, it become 8. So we can do one thing. Before doing the division, we'll do here. We can write this 80 into 10 to the power 7 upon 13. That will be an easy calculation. Now divide the 80 with 13. We will get the value 6.15 into 10 to the power 7. And that will be the number of atoms, zinc atoms, which will be the answer of the part B. The number of zinc atoms required are 6.15 into 10 to the power 7. So friends, that's all for today in this video. The question is very easy. The calculations are also very easy. So do like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will be there with me for the next coming video. Till then, thank you.